record. Okay. Okay. Now the market is going back. Oh, sorry. The market is going back to, it's continuing upward. But I don't know if it will break above. Thank you guys for joining in. I know it was, I just jumped in all of a sudden and I wanted to share something. Okay. I hope my screen is shared now. Is it shared now? And if you can hear me loud and clear, just notify me. Now I've come on, we're going to spend the shortest time here. I hate talking a lot about charts. You get, like, I can't keep pumping a lot of information because at most times people don't even remember what I say. Yeah. But let's discuss about today's trade and why we delayed to take that trade. Yeah. Why it took so long. Now, this was NFP, the drop. This was the whole impact of NFP from up here up to down here. I always tell you guys the strategy is complete, man. You just have to find a way of doing it. Like there's an order block up here, right? And there's an order block down here. Just look at how the action around psychological levels. These are the fives. Then that W pattern, I remember we bought this market up to here. Right now, I told you guys the major bias is to get this market to the 50 or 61.8 area before shorting it again. This was a very bullish move. So it's either it comes back up here or it stops here and drops because this is a golden area. Yeah. This is our this is the whole golden area. So it can come here and drop. Of course, if we get confluences, we're going to take this sell. Diego was holding. Now, what was my TP? My TP was at the trend line. Just there. TP hit, market changes. And guess where it hit? This was a 61.8 area. You know, I hate telling like everything, I want us to start trading like together. Not every time I'm supposed to post charts. I love the fact that nowadays many people are trying. There's a guy called Casper. Casper. Casper, I think yesterday, was it yesterday? Yesterday he had the quickest scalp. It was either yesterday or Tuesday. It was the quickest scalp I had ever seen. He was selling GBPUSD. I think this was his trade. Just from there to there, and he was like, TP hit. Immediately, it hit TP, jump started continuing. But I was in this trade from exactly this box up to around here, this order block. Now, for this sell, I just had easy. When it broke out of here, remember, guys, it's confluences, right? Order block, trend line, high and low of the week. The market, I expected some action of the market. Now, when I saw it starting to range like that, I gained more confidence. But I always tell you guys, I hate delaying in a trade for long. Those are my worst trades ever. 21 hours waiting for bearish momentum, guys. It was a lot of time. But guess what? I expect this market to drop again. I expect it to drop again. If it doesn't, it may break this, but I would like to see it break above. I'd like to see it break above this area for me to know that it's going until the upside. Yeah. But for now, I still expect it to drop because this is just a pullback to this order block. This is a tight order block. You can see how this M pattern has been around here. Yeah. So if I'm still saying this is tight order, why do I expect it to drop from here? We have this order block. This is still the area. This is still a huge area for us to keep selling. Let's see if we have a Fibonacci zone. Let's see. We have it tapping the 78.6 area. Still mixed feelings. Mixed feelings, but I wouldn't take this sell, but I expect it to drop. Yeah, I expect it to drop. This is not my time for trading. I already hit TP today. I already hit TP today. Because my first entry was here. I think I shared. Did I share my chart? I can share that. My first entry was back up here. This is where my first entry here. I made 50 pips off of this trade. Yeah. So the market just rallied down. My stop loss was above here. And I told someone today, yesterday I told you guys that if the market breaks above, we jump out early. But when it started consolidating, I just moved my stop loss above because I didn't want those spreads at midnight to get me in, right? Move my stop loss. So woke up in the morning, it was still playing around. I was like, okay, there is no buy momentum. The momentum is still showing, so I'm going to just stay into this trade. I hate trading like this. All those who have seen our past trades, it's always momentum. Like, it's always momentum. Momentum jumps in, few minutes here, take profit. That's what you want to see, like such trades, right? Momentum. I hate delaying. You can see that to just get momentum in there and the market just goes. So if it consolidates like this, it disturbs me a lot. Disturbs me a lot. But I had seen this consolidation before. I'd seen it here too. Yeah. So that's what kept made me stay into this trade. That's what made me stay into this trade. But I'm still expecting it to short from here. So we are going to just put the box and see how it does it. Yeah, we're going to just see how it does it. I'm not jumping in for a short because no, that's not good trading. So another confluence may be waiting for this trend line to give us that M pattern for the drop. It's very possible, but for now, I expect to see action in this area. Should we have a break above this trend line? Let me make it perfect. Should we have a break above this trend line? I'll be looking for it to break this area for it too long. But guys, tomorrow is Friday. This market it may range, it may just range like constantly, play around. I don't know if we have news, but may just play around in here. You can keep scalping, like jumping and out. I have a friend who has called the buy from here to around this area. I think he jumped out from here or here. Yeah, I saw him take the buy and he has made money. So another reason why I would show it is look at the left. If I put a rectangle here like this, I can see that the left is a good area. So that's an area for me to show it. So, of course, this acts as an inverse head and shoulders for this buy. So the short may give us a retracement for the buy side, but let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. If it comes back down here, gives us an M pattern, shall buy up to here. I told you guys I don't waste pips, right? I don't waste pips. If I'm getting a 1 to 2, that's what I want to see. A 1 to 2, 1 to 2. As long as your reward is more than your risk, you're good to go. Don't aim for too much. We know how GU moves. GU doesn't reward a lot. It just unless it's a good week, but it doesn't reward a lot, guys. It doesn't. Yeah. Now, about the crypto classes, I'm going to first make a video of how you can connect your Bybit account to MT4. Let's first wait about that. And Bob is supposed to be taking us through, but I don't know what happened with the other Bob. But it's fine. Crypto has money, guys. Today, let me show you guys my trades for crypto, the ones I had. This is Solana. This is SU. Okay, it has come back, but I had the trade running. I think I closed out after. I think I closed out from such. I closed out from around here on SU. From SU. Around here. Now, if you invested in SU is something that has given me money, a lot of money. Of course, the momentum is still to the sell side. We have a break and retest. I expect it to drop up to around here to give me that harmonic pattern. Yeah, to give me something like that harmonic. I told you guys I don't use harmonic patterns, but once I see it, I can know that this is a harmonic pattern. So all the other guys trading that strategy, I can see them. Like I can see what they're doing. Where are those tools for harmonics? Where is the ABC? Let me try to find it. Okay, it's here. So to give me something like this, to give me something like that for me to buy from here. Yeah. Can even start from down here. As long as the 61.8, that's for the Gatly pattern, but you can start from here for cipher. Now, if it comes back down here, I'll be looking to buy, of course. This is crypto. You don't hold sells for long. Now, another thing that I was trading this week on crypto was WorldCoin. WorldCoin hit take profit. Boom, psychological level. And guess what? I bought it from a psychological, same strategy, guys, same strategy. Breakout of this trend line, W pattern, forming, ranging, enter from here. Because psychological level has been retested, there's that engulfing. Market hits here and here. Take profit was here. Psychological level, guys. Just that. It's the same strategy. So for right now, you'd be looking for a buy at a retracement of this psychological level. So if you draw your trend line like that, you just wait for it from around this area for the buy. So of course, it's going to buy. It's going to buy, of course, because look at this thing. Still looking for the upside. But the problem with Worldcoin, they have grants. Every time they're giving out a grant, things happen. The market drops a little bit. Yeah. But look, can do an analysis here. You can go and trade on Binance perpetuals. Don't risk more than a 10% leverage. You can do 10%. You can make 15, you can make 20. Don't go past that. Yeah. I expect a pullback to this area. So it may play around the way it wants. But the pullback has to happen, guys. My trading is simple. You can see what's happening there. I've taken this recurring M pattern, retest of a psychological level. So right now, I would short. And I want you guys to check this trade tomorrow evening. It would have it take profit. This is obvious. It would have it take profit here, psychological level. Unless this is the first TP. I want you guys to check this trade tomorrow. Will it take profit? That's obvious, guys. I tell you guys I'm taking a stop loss. That's obvious. It's going to hit take profit here. Well, this is going to be the first take profit. Now, to confirm this move, I would like to pull a Fibonacci from here till up here. And you can see that this is the 61.8 area. Now, if it keeps moving like that, I would like to take a buy from there to the upside. That's how you analyze. Make it simple. As in, it's Herod here. I wanted to say something. Someone called using trend lines as how they call it. They never work, man. I know you guys watch TikToks. Me, I just got TikTok to post, but I don't watch TikToks because now my algorithm only brings Forex, right? I don't have a lot of fun there. Now, guys, everything works. Everything works, but it depends on how you use it. Yeah. Find what works for you. I know ICT traders make a lot of money, but me personally, I didn't find ICT for me or SMC. And I compared it as like, this thing is for whites, man. I got my guys, Africans, explain to me the way it works. Make it easy for me. I'm not being racist, but guys, that's just it. I attended something and man, let me just end there. Everyone knows what I'm talking about. If you are attentive, yeah. So guys, just find what works for you. Find what works for you. Right? Let me post it. So find what works for you, guys. It all works. Whether demand and supply, whether fair value gaps. You see Gracious making money silent. I'm sure he has passed this proper. Just find what works for you. You can build a strategy around this one and kill me with it. You know, killing. I'll be like, okay, it's I won't have anything to tell you. But right now, this thing is going to sell. And another confirmation is here, a divergency to the upside. To the upside, this is going to the downside. I make it easy, right? But on the chart, it's mixed. Times it can be hard. Like, trust me, these things are hard, but you can make it easy. Make it your friend. Just practice always. Make it your friend. I also take losses in silent. I can trade my crypto things, hit stop loss, or of course, I can't get liquidated because I'm risking small and I kind of have a huge amount for perpetuals, but I take losses too. It's not a sure, right? Just because I hype and be like, take your stop loss, but I calculate my risk at the end of the day. Yeah, I may go now and short this thing, but leverage. Yeah, leverage. Now, this is another thing that boats. I saw it on 5.0. I didn't take the trade, but it would have been a good buy for me though. Crypto is easy. And this one respects psychological levels too. Let's look at 5.5. Okay, what was C? This one is 4 point. I think it's psychological level 5.2, 5.3, 5.4. Those are the psychological levels for it. Yeah. So Find what works for you. You can see this one respected 5.4. Came back here, respected 5.3. You can see the 5.3 here. That's why I tell someone, if you don't trade psychologically, it's mad. It's crazy. I expect all these things to be shorting because I saw Bitcoin hitting 45,000. I don't know if it has hit a psychological level. Okay, 45,000. And you can see just bounced off that psychological level. So if you don't use psychological levels in your trading, hey, guys, man. So guys, I just wanted to invest in crypto. This year is a bull run. Should I show you BTT? I remember I told someone about BTTC. Let me show you guys the chart in a few. I like telling you guys where the money is. Don't sleep on it. Yeah, don't sleep on it. Let's get BTT. Today it made me a lot of money. I think it went out 30, 35, 40%, and now it's retracing. But look at those zeros. I want you to count the zeros and look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. You can make money from this. Don't sleep on it, man. Look at this. Pumped up. What do you expect? You guys all know technical analysis, right? You guys all know technical analysis. Look at this pump, guys. This was the first pump that made 100% last year in December. I had BTTC, bought it from here, pumped 100%, cancelled 1-0. This is a retracement. Pull up a Fibonacci from here to up here. Look, okay, this is not so perfect, but let's go to the 4-hour. Shit, okay. Let's go back to the daily. Fibonacci's wouldn't have worked because I don't see an initial one. But we have that W pattern, right? And I think we have an order block down here. So if it pumps like this, you expect it to break this high, right? Go and buy BTTC. Look at the price, 0.000. Guys, for the guys, don't give that money to your girlfriend. Valentine's Day, some shit, buy BTTC and forget, buy and forget. Now, another story. Yesterday, there's a friend of mine. He came to me that his friend wanted to withdraw money from Binance, right? This babe bought Bitcoin. She had she had Dogecoin, and she had ADA in her wallet. Guess which year she bought it? 2020 at the beginning. Literally, she missed a bull run. I told her she had like she told me she invested like 20 or $50. It was little, $20 around that. Right now she had $271. It was 277. She was okay for withdrawing it. But I told her, when did you buy this coin? She was like 2020 at the beginning. 2021, a bull run happened and she missed it. I literally told her, your account at some point was close to $3,000. She didn't know. Right now it's back to 277. She had a coin called DOT. Let me show you guys that coin. DOT. Now you see those Forex withdrawals, get 10%, put in crypto. Yeah. I want us to get rich together. Good, crypto is very easy. Look, this is it. At some point, let me get the monthly. We're going to go to 2021. She bought in 2020, right? 2020, when this is when DOT launched. It's called Polkadot. It launched, she bought. She held, and guess what? This thing has ever reached $53 in 2021. 54, 55. And guess what? She's selling it when the price is back at $6. I was like, okay, ignorance is expensive. You'd have got some good millions. So guys, don't sleep on it, man. Buy some, just buy $10, put it there. Yeah? No one will rob you. Just put it there. So guys, allow me to end here. Allow me to end here. This thing is going short. I'm going to go and take a trade, I think from the psychological level. Yeah. Or if anyone already took, sorry for that, but To me, expect it to short. Yeah. So ask any questions you have. Ask any questions you have. Oh, I haven't seen something. Oh my God. One that's bad. Ask any questions you have. We call this a night. Ask any questions you have. If someone's typing or raising their hands. All right. I think there are no questions though. I think there are no questions. So allow me end this here, guys. Any questions I'm raising? I think Nelson is going to footprint chat. Okay. Hi. Hi. Yes.
How you doing?
I'm
How you
okay.
doing?
I'm okay. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
That was it. Hey, you muted yourself. That was it.
Mhm.
Oh my God. Guys, good night, man. Good night. Oh my God. She just did it to me.